Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today is Sunday, March 1st. Alright, so we're in the middle of halfway tree. I'm doing an update for you guys. So welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. If you're new to the channel, to the Rush for more reviews channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. We're trying to get through to 3,000 subscribers within the next 3 months. So remember to share, remember to like, leave a comment, and help this channel to grow as well. So what's happening today is the development or renovation of the intersection at Maxfield Avenue and Hagley Park Road. We did a video yesterday, February 29th, when the work was starting, and today is Sunday, March 1st. We're just going back to take a look to see the progress of the work. The road is completely closed off, so they're not allowing any vehicles to come through. It's closed off from last night, 10 p.m. February 29th. So stay tuned and definitely leave your comments as well. So all the traffic is diverted so that they can work on this. So those vehicles are heading down Halfway Tree Road, heading to Crossroad direction. Alright, so let's get a bit closer to the action. Alright, so over here is now being used for the St. Andrew Justice Center. They also leased a part of it to a car mart as well. Did a video yesterday when this project was starting, so I'll put that link in the description and the comments. So by tomorrow morning they should be totally transformed. So I'm wondering if they'll be finished by tomorrow morning, Monday, March 2nd, 2020. So they're fixing this entire intersection. Alright guys, definitely leave your comments in terms of this renovation project. Let me know your thoughts and know what you think about it. So this is the renovation of the Hagley Park and Maxfield intersection. So we have National Water Commission on site, National Work Agency, the cable companies, relocating pipes and cables. Based on initial reports, they should be finished for Monday morning, that's March 2, but based on the pace of the work, I doubt they'll be finished by that. So they're not finished and this road is still closed off. I know tomorrow morning will be very chaotic when persons are going back to work or back to school. I'll revisit the location as well, probably in a week from now, to see the changes, to see what they've done. Alright guys, so I'll be closing out the video shortly. So remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Remember we're trying to reach to 3,000 subscribers in the next 3 months. So see you on that next video and thanks for watching.